guys, Shane here, HomeBizNetworks.com. Thanks for checking out this quick video. In this quick video, I am going to be breaking down a SEO and keyword research tool that I've been using for the past, 8 months, 9 months. I've gotten conversions using this tool. I've gotten first page rankings using this tool. I think this tool is quite helpful. Here is the landing page here. It's Spyfu.com. Alright. What does Spyfu do? Spyfu exposes the search marketing search formula of your most successful competitors. I'm going to log in here in a second, guys, and show you my favorite parts of this tool. PPC Competitor Research. This has helped me quite a bit. This has changed my PPC advertising campaigns quite a bit. I'll show you. As you can see, you can use Google Ads Competitor Keywords Spiral tool. There's a monitor PPC competitors. Google Ads Advisors, find competitors' keywords, competitor Google Ads campaign and ad test history, and PPC negative match recommendations, which is really good. This is pretty much so you don't spend on dumb words that aren't even going to convert. Long story short, that's what negative match means, okay? And then PPC Ad Rank Tracker. I don't really know what that does. The SEO Competitive Research tool, okay? Spy on your SEO competitors, research competitors' SEO keywords, multi-competitor keyword tool, complete keyword ranking history, check competitor backlinks by keyword. This is kind of a waste of time. Don't worry about backlinks. Stop that crap. I don't care what any other marketer tells you. Backlinks are not that important anymore. All right. I've gotten first page rankings on some very, very competitive keywords and not many backlinks, okay? Let the backlinks come natural. Don't spend too much time looking for backlinks. Yes, backlinks do help, but there's a cost to benefit ratio, and it ends up being more of a waste of time chasing backlinks than it is being successful at building backlinks, okay? How I like to use backlinks is with social media and answering questions in YouTube and in Quora, okay? Those are the best ways to set up backlinks. Let your content, let other people organically backlink to you, okay? Influence marketer. I haven't really tried this part yet. And then track your SEO keyword rankings, keyword research tools. This is a big component. I use this guy a lot. All right, so let's see what else. And then domain leads and top lists. All right. And then also there's a lot of training that you can do, the step-by-step guides. All right. So I am going to log in here, guys. I'm just going to kind of populate some stuff so you can take a look at it. All right. Here we go. We're going to log in here. Oh, you guys probably want to see the pricing. Let's check out the pricing. Okay. I'm under this plan here, and this plan is great. Okay, it does everything I need. All right, and I do freelancing. Right now I have 2 clients that I'm working on building their websites, and I have 2 other websites, my own blog, and I have another website that I work on too, and I only use this, okay? And it does enough for me. All right, let's head in there, and show you the tool at how it works. All right, so let's go into here. As you can see at the top, search here. We have overview, SEO research, okay, PPC research, keyword research, backlinks, list builder, tracking, reports, okay? PPC overview. All right, enter a competitor. So say you're in the cat niche, right? Cat niche. We'll stay with the cat niche, and let's do cat toys for home. Chewy.com. All right, so what in here, we're going to put in Chewy.com. And we're going to search. All right, so as you can see, guys, competitive research is like the #1 answer to be successful with internet marketing, or if you're trying to build an e-commerce store. You need to know who your top competitors are. So as you can see, it populates a lot of data out here, okay? A lot of data. All right, now here's the cool part. Here are the keywords, right, that DotCom uses, okay? Here are some keywords, okay? Most successful paid keywords, okay? So if you're running a Google Ads campaign, so you're running a Google Ads campaign or a Bing Ads campaign, this is how I do it, okay? I look at my competitors and I try to figure out what keywords the competitors are using, okay? And then after I figured that out, I start trying to figure out, is the cost per click 22 cents too much money for me? Okay, can't use that code. Does that word pet code really work for my business? Probably not, right? But pet store sure does, right? Pet store sure does. And then look at, if I hover over it, where is it? Where'd you go? You see that? You see that right there? That is what their ad looks like on Google for that keyword pet store, okay? And you just kind of, in the world of Clickfunnels, it's called funnel hacking, and these sort of tools allow you to funnel hack, all right? So, let's see here, dog sweaters. Well, we're really more into cat toys, so we're gonna click on here. All right, this is where all the money is. This is the keyword research. This is where I live most of my time, okay? And I use this tool quite a bit. You see these? What I start doing, guys, is I start looking for specific keywords that fit whatever I'm trying to sell, right? Then I also try to figure out what sort of search volume they're getting, okay? And what other keywords other companies are ranking for cat trees, cat tower, cat beds, cat trees for large cats, okay? Now, there's also a recommendation for ads, okay? This is really cool. This has changed, this section here, messing around with this, has completely changed my conversions in Google Ads. Obviously, I'm not in the cat tree niche, I'm in a different niche, but this process here, okay, so this is pretty cool, right? So this is great buy, right? What I'll then do is this, guys. Maybe I'll do a word. I'll give you guys a quick breakdown of how I do this. So, I might then take some of these keywords here. So let's see, let's go back. All right, I really liked this, cat tree for sale, right? I want to find a list of like 15 keywords, okay? Cat trees for sale. Then what I can do is inside of Spyfu is I can double click that keyword, and what's it going to do is it's going to auto populate other keywords that are related to that, right? And I just look at the number, 460 impressions, that's a lot, it's a good buy. You can check the competitors, okay? Now, I use a couple different keyword research tools, and I'll do another video on the other tool I use. Because what you can do is, in some cases, you can come over here and add the keywords to your list within inside of Spyfu. But what I like to do is I like to take the keywords outside of Spyfu and look at them in other tools, okay? And then what's great about this is you have these keywords, right? What also talks about is ads that were successful using that keyword, okay? So let's check here. I believe if I click, it will show me the ad. That way, if you have any, if you're stuck trying to build a ad campaign, you'll see examples of, here's the keyword, right? And then this is the ad that they use to match up the keyword, okay? And that way you can get a good idea on what ads are working, what keywords are working, okay? It's a lot of data. And if you guys are new to this sort of thing, it took me about 2 or 3 weeks to kind of figure out what's going on here. But if you just think funnel hacking, now I'm not copying word for word. I'm just getting an idea of what the layout looks like, what some of the keyword terms to look at, what sort of direction the ad is going into, okay? And then look at all these keywords over here. just amazing. All right, so that's a good idea of like the ad history, the PPC keywords. As you can see, this is new. Another cool thing here is the combat keyword. This is pretty cool here. The combat keyword is pretty neat. All right. So, what are we looking at, right? What the heck are we looking at? So, we got the combat keywords is this. Pretty much what the system did was take Chewy.com and find its top competitors, 3 competitors. As you can see, 1-800-PetMeds.com and allvet.com, right? And what it did was take these 3 websites and they matched keywords, okay? Core keywords, okay? So these 3 websites all are using these keywords here, right? Now remember, we're in the cat niche, so we're trying to find things that would work for cat situations. So see this flea prevention for dogs. Just being a pet lover myself, I know a lot about cats and dogs. What you do is this. You come in here and you do cats search. Boom, bang, again, okay? So, guys, as you can see, this is just an amazing tool, okay? This tool is awesome. There's also, if you're stuck trying to find related keywords, you can come in here and, you know, type in flea prevention for cats, and look what comes up, right? So if you were selling a cat flea product on your e-commerce store, like say your Shopify store, or you're trying to do a blog post, right? Like what I would recommend is, depending on how much time you have, how much money you have, you could do a blog post about cat flea prevention. Okay, in that blog post, you promote a flea product. Okay, and then what you can do is you run paid ads to that blog post. Okay, I know that sounds kind of crazy, right? And then your blog post is all SEO. You write out your blog post for SEO, you know, keyword research for getting it up. Now let's do here. Now, I don't mess around with tracking, okay, too much. Pretty much what you can do is you can populate. This feature allows you to take some of your favorite keywords and you can watch what sort of competitors are using that keywords and what sort of rankings that keyword gets, okay? And as you can see, so I should look more into this backlinking, but you know, a few years ago when I first started getting into it, everybody was like, backlinks is the answer to getting your website first page Google rankings, and that just wasn't the case. I spent like a year trying to get backlinks, reaching out to blog owners, please link to me, and none of that crap worked. Neil Patel's advice was garbage. Even though I love Neil Patel, I use his Uber Suggest tool quite a bit. But his backlink ideas is just a big waste of time. Unless you have a big name or you're a big brand, then you can reach out to bloggers and say, hey, backlink to this post, it looks great. But most of the time, that's a huge waste of time. But this tool is quite interesting because it's going to show you, in theory, this is the first time I'm looking at this tool. I'm not a big fan of backlinks. I like to do organic backlinking. If you disagree with me, tell me why in the comment section, okay? But in my experience, hustling for backlinks is a huge waste of time. Yeah, if you can get the backlink, great, excellent. We want backlinks. But hustling for the backlinks is a waste of time. You're better off using your time to build great content. All right, this is taking a long time, so we're going to get out of here. We're going to go into overview. All right, and as you can see, it kicks out a lot of data. Okay, I mean, it's just endless. This tool is quite amazing. and then organic competitive. So maybe, you know what? Maybe we don't like what Chewy.com is kicking out. Let's see what PetSmart's got going on, you know? And here we are again. And then we can go into ranking history. We can look at, you know, if you're trying to, if you need to like create blog post content, we can take a look at top pages. Okay. Here's the top pages. Just so you can get an idea, like if you're trying to create blog content and you're like, I like this keyword. How do I rank this keyword? And I don't even know where to start create content like a blog post or a review post for this. You populate that keyword up in here. You come over here and you click top pages and boom, oh look, that might be a good title. Let's see. Okay, look, and it's taking me to the page, okay? So this is what you call funnel hacking, guys, okay? Competitive research, okay? Competitive research. I'm not copy pasting literally. I'm just trying to get an idea on what's working today. You need to know what's working today. You need to see what your competitors are doing, all right? And then reports. I typically don't use reports, all right? So, guys, my name's Shane, HomeBizNetworks.com. Come check me out, all right? I do internet marketing consultant, and I build websites, and I do affiliate marketing, okay? Um, Here's my site over here, and here's my blog over here, okay, guys? So, this is me. I hope you like this content. I hope you like this information on Spyfu. I've been using this tool for about 6 months. I'm a big fan of it. It's a great product. I think you guys should check it out. Um, I might leave a link for this below. I don't have a blog post yet. I just shot this quick video kind of on a whim. Um, yeah, that's me, Shane, HomeBizNetworks.com. Thanks for checking me out, guys. See you on the flip side.